Hello, today we are going to talk about equation of line in 2 space and 3 space and a little bit information of planes in 3 space by Brandon, Elgin and Junwei. Let's start off to see the difference between 2 space and 3 space. 2 space contain x and y axis only, and 3 space contains x and y and z axis. Let's talk about the forms in 2 space and 3 space. There are scalar, vector and parametric form in 2 space and 3 space. Before we start the forms, let's begin with normal vectors. A normal vector is perpendicular to a line which ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So what is scalar equation actually? Scalar equation, also known as standard forms. And scalar equation only exists in 2 space, in short form R2. Let's start off a question with a scalar equation. The first step is the slope of point, which is y minus 3 equals to 3 over 2 times x minus 2, which we have to find the standard form by doing 2 times y minus 3 and 3 times. The next form is the vector form. The vector form are available in R2 and R3. R2 vector equation will be x and y equals to a1 and a2 plus t times m1 plus m2, and R3 will be the same but with z-axis. Let's do an example in R2. Given 2 points, which is point A and point B, we have to use AB to find the direction vector, which is 3 and 5. The point A will be the position vector. Same thing in R3, which is to use the given point and find the direction vector, which is 1, 6 and negative 6, and the position vector is 4, 2 and 7. Let's talk about parametric form in R2, which is x equals to a1 plus t times m1, and y equals to a2 plus t times m2. Same thing with R3 but with z-axis. Let's do a question for R2. To find the parametric equation, we need is vector equation. The parametric equation will be x equals to negative 4 plus 2t and y equals to 2 plus 3t. Same thing in R3, we need vector equation to find the parametric equation. For the parametric equation in R3, x equals 3 plus 2t and y equals 2 plus 7t and z equals to 8 plus t. The last discussion will be a plane. A plane only exists in R3, which has scalar, vector, and parametric forms. To find the value s and t, we need to use the vector equation and transform it to parametric equation. Take 2 parametric equation to find the t, and t will be the 1, and sub in the t to find the s. Thank you for watching. See you next time.